channel. Today I'm going to be making aesthetic DIY home decor. So I hope you guys will find this video helpful and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Also my voice might sound a little cracked because I have a blocked nose and I have a little bit of cold, so pray for me, hopefully it gets better. So yeah, sorry for that, but without any further delay, let's get started. For this DIY, first take a bowl or a container where you're going to mix your paint, and first take 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. This baking powder is going to give us that rough texture. And then take your paint. I'm using the distemper color, the kind of paint that you use to paint walls. But if you have acrylic color, you can go ahead and use that. Both works, but this one works better. And this is the consistency that I came up with. You can always play around with different ratios and come up with the texture that you like the most. Now here I have my glass jar that I'm going to be painting on. You can use plastic jars or whatever shape you like. I'm going to paint this. And the goal here is just not to make it look perfect. That's why I'm playing around with my brush here and painting on some rough strokes with my paintbrush. And this is how it looks. The rough strokes turned out really abstract and I like it. Now for the other glass jar that I'm going to be painting on, for that I am mixing some lavender color. And I'm doing the same for this one too, and since you don't have to worry about to make it look perfect, everyone can do it and it's really easy. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to let both of them dry. And after drying, this is how they turned out and I absolutely love it. I think it's such an easy and simple way to decorate your home, so please try it and let me know how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!